Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a blog post grid in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's blog module, which lets you easily display your posts in a clean grid layout. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by opening the page where you want the blog posts to appear. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, add a new section and then insert a row. A single column row usually works best for a blog grid. Next, click the plus icon and search for the blog module. Add it to your row. By default, Divi will display your latest posts in a list layout. To switch to a grid, go to the blog module settings, scroll to the layout options and select grid. Immediately, your posts will rearrange into a grid format. From here, you can customize how many posts to show and even filter them by category. For example, if you only want to display posts from your news category or tutorials category, you can select that under the content settings. Now move over to the Design tab. Here you can style the grid to match your site. You can adjust the spacing between the posts, change the font styles, and control how the featured images display. You can also decide whether to show or hide elements like the post date, author name, categories, or read more button. If you want to make the grid more visually appealing, consider enabling equal column heights or adding a background color to the postcards. This makes the layout look consistent and professional. Once you are happy with your design, click the green checkmark to save the module, then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and you will now see your blog posts displayed in a grid layout. This is a quick and effective way to highlight your content and make your blog section look modern and organized. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.